Alright, we're gonna start.
Let's all start. Let's get in our child pose, like a seed. Can you make a seed with your body, Bruce?
Oh, don't ram your head into the floor.
Softly.
Like this?
That's not strong enough.
We're starting in our seed. We're waiting for you. Good job. Can you stretch your arms out long? Keeping your booty on your heels. There you go. Good job.
Good job.
Come out. Can you get on all fours? Make a table with your body.
Like a doggy.
And then can you look up to the ceiling like a cow? Can you moo like a cow, Bruce?
Ooh.
Can you round your back and look like a cat? And meow like a kitty cat? Find cow again. Moo. And cat. One more round. Finding cow. Does it go moo?
Oh. Oh.
And then cat one more time. And then come back to your tabletop. And then, are you ready? We're going to make a V, upside down V with our body. In down dog. Pushing our heels up.
Oh, yeah.
Making a V with our body.
Hey, I've done this before.
Good
It's
job.
in my yoga. This every single. It's one of the yoga talk.
When you go to yoga at school, right?
It's on the yoga
Can you
carpet.
put one leg up and keep the other leg down?
Whoa, 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 whoa. I can't balance that way.
That's okay. Try again. Both feet down.
Hey, that's perfect, bud.
Other foot up. Good job.
Good job, man.
Can we come out and make a plank? Like a big table? Then we're going to lower all the way down. Can you put your hands, make a pillow? Make a pillow with your hands. And you're in sleeping crocodile.
Sleepy crocodile.
And then, are you ready? We're going to do cobra. Lift your chest up just a little bit or a lot. Are you a snake? Can you hiss like a snake? Can you do your tongue? Oh, stay over here.
Yeah, stay on your mat.
Stay on your R2D2 mat. And come back down. Come up one more time. Can you stick your tongue out like a snake this time?
Yeah.
Good job.
This is like a modern interpretation of the snakes.
And down.
In and out of Ireland.
All right, here we go. We're going to come up through our table.
Okay, back to the table.
Back the table. Big table.
Big table. Tall table. And then we're going to come up to our downward facing dog. Flip your feet over so you don't slide. Then walk your feet up to your hands. Good job. Can you scoop your feet or your hands underneath your feet?
But don't step on your hands.
You can step on your hands. You'll be okay.
Feel it.
Gorilla pose. Releasing your hands. Curl yourself up. Can you reach your hands up high? Mountain pose. Can you bring your hands down by your side?
Still pose.
Still pose. Our mountain, nice and tall. Can you bring your hands over your head? Can you sit down like you're on a chair but not actually have anything to sit on?
Ooh.
Can you act like you're sitting in a chair?
Pretend sitting in a chair.
Pretend chair.
Pretend chair.
My chair's very low.
It sure is.
Your chair's lower than
Can you
ours.
bring your hands straight out?
I need to get my homework.
Back on the mat.
Back on the mat, Bruce. We gotta come down to our forward fold.
And back down to here.
Gorilla pose.
Gorilla pose.
Achi.
Uh-oh. Can you lift halfway up? Oh. Stand all the way up.
Ah.
Can you bring your hands right here to your heart center? Can you stand on one foot?
Oh, this is easy. Oh.
Can you open your knee out?
This will be good for when you're doing karate.
And come back. This time we're going to place it. Are you ready for what pose is this? If we put our foot on our leg.
Oh, you know this one.
What pose is this?
Tree
pose. Can you grow your branches? Can you blow your branches in the wind? Good
These
job.
trees not have good roots.
Set that foot down. Guess what? How many legs do we have, Bruce?
2.
So we got to do both sides. Let's find our tree pose on the other side. We started by just balancing. And then we open it up. And then we placed our tree. Can you put your foot on your leg like we did on the first side? Make a tree.
Make a tree.
Good job. Oh, goodness.
Stay on your mat, buddy.
Can you make your branches grow? And are they going to blow in the wind on this side?
Lightning got the tree down.
Oh, no.
Lightning strikes tree pose.
Can you come and stand up? Ready? We're going to swing our arms. Ready? Swing our arms out. Woo.
This is how I do it.
Is it? Awesome. That's a great job.
It's like a shark through water pose.
All right. Are you ready to do a little bit of frog?
Frog. He's already pretty
Can you
hot.
put your legs out like mine?
No, frog like this.
We do go all the way down.
Oh, yeah,
But
the
we're going to go
frog's feet.
all the way down like
Yeah,
a frog.
Frog's feet go out like that. Yeah.
Can you ribbit like a froggy?
Ribbit.
Oh, you're hopping like a frog too. Hopping, I guess, is optional. Fantastic. Woo!
That's a big hop.
It's a giant hop.
Okay.
Come back. We're going to press up, all the way up to stand. Can you bring your feet together like mine? Step one foot back. Like a big lunge. Put your arms up high, hands together. Unicorn pose.
Bruce, what sound does the unicorn make?
Come.
It looks like a shark.
Unicorn or warrior one, depending. Can you dive your unicorn horn down to your foot? And bring it all the way back up. Step your feet together. Where'd your mat go? We gotta do the other side. Step the foot back. Bend the front knee. Arms go up. Unicorn. Come back.
Come back, unicorn. Come back, unicorn. We need you.
And then you can dive it down one more time. Oh, goodness.
Yes,
And curl it up.
unicorn impales pose.
And step your feet together. Come back to still pose. Still pose. Still pose. Nope.
Almost done.
We're almost done, Bruce.
Perhaps giving him a chocolate was not the best.
Prior to this is fine. All right, Bruce, let's come have a seat on our mat. Let's spread your mat back out.
Yeah.
Come sit down. Stick your legs out toward this way. Can you reach your big toes
Can you reach your toes?
with your fingers? Good job. Seated forward fold.
Big toes.
Then we're going to come back up. Can you bring your feet together? Knees out.
I know this.
Put your bottoms of your feet together. Not crisscross applesauce.
Butterfly.
That's right.
Like
Your
this.
feet like this. Watch. Ready?
No.
Here we go.
No, butterfly.
This is butterfly. That's crisscross applesauce.
You gotta make your feet touch like
Yeah,
this.
bottoms of the feet. Kiss.
Make your feet kiss.
Okay.
You know what? You're really good at that, but okay. You're very
Flap the
flexible.
butterfly wings. Is my butterfly gonna win the race?
Butterfly. Look how fast.
Look how fast mine are going. I don't know. I think I might win. You're on a flower. Having a snack on a flower.
Having a drink.
Can you take your nose down to your
I
toes?
touched the flowers.
Can you take your nose down to your toes?
I can't. I cannot do it. Can you do it? You're very flexible.
Good job.
I'm not drinking nectar. I got
Can you curl yourself back up? Can you take your hands and grab underneath your ankles?
It's
Do you think you can balance?
Oh, can you do it?
Oh!
I guess I
Good
really first
job. Oh!
No, I can't.
Nope.
Good job. Feet down. Stick your legs out. Shake your legs. Shake your body. Shake, shake, shake. And get still.
I don't know, listen to the teacher.
And then let's spread your mat back out so you can lay down on your mat. You ready? Lay down. Lay down on your back. Bruce, can you lay down? Can you hug your knees in? Squeeze them tight. Yes, that's right. Rock back and forth. Very good. Can you take your legs up to the ceiling? Bruce, legs up to the ceiling. Can you wiggle your toes? There you go. Good job. Bring your feet down. Can you put your feet on the floor? Can you press your hips up into bridge or rainbow pose? And then lower your hips back down. That's right. Press them up once more.
Rainbow pose.
I'm doing bridge pose.
You sure are. Good job. And press your hips down. Can you stretch your legs up long like a big X on the floor?
Or like bread sticking to the floor.
Very good. Would you like to do one where you get to fly on my feet? The daddy will spot you.
Ooh, you're gonna fly.
You ready? We're gonna do one fun acro pose. Well, hold on, let me
Why
lay
are you
down.
gonna sit like that?
Bring my feet here. Can you come lean your belly on my feet?
Yeah, stand
On this side.
right here.
Give me your hands. Hands to my hands. Ready?
Ready?
Superman pose.
You're flying. You're flying.
Flying like Superman. Yoga. All right, here we go. We're coming down. Feet to the floor. Good job, Bruce. Yes. Are you ready? We're going to come sit. Bring your hands here. What do we say at the end of yoga class? Namaste.
No.
What do
No.
you say?
What do you say?
Quietly roll up your yoga mat.
That's right. And now
That's at the very
we
end.
quietly roll our yoga mats up or fold them.
Yeah. Namaste inside. That's a good roll.
Good job.
All right, we did it.